Kuwait Airways is making significant adjustments to its flight operations for the upcoming holiday season in 2025-26, particularly on the route connecting Kuwait City to Milan Malpensa. From December 10, 2025 until January 16, 2026, travelers can expect a change in aircraft type for the 5 weekly flights. Instead of the previously scheduled Airbus A330-800neo and A330-900neo, the airline will be utilizing the Boeing 777-300ER for these journeys. The specific flight details are as follows. Flight KU-163 will depart from Kuwait International Airport, KWI, at 8:30 a.m., arriving in Milan Malpensa, MXP, at 12:25 p.m. This service will operate on 15 occasions during the specified period. Conversely, Flight KU-164 will leave Milan at 2:25 p.m., landing back in Kuwait at 9:50 p.m., also scheduled for 15 flights. This change in aircraft is noteworthy, as the Boeing 777-300ER is known for its spaciousness and comfort, which could enhance the travel experience for passengers during the busy holiday season. For those unfamiliar with the aviation industry, the Boeing 777-300ER is a long-range, wide-body aircraft that is often favored for its efficiency and passenger capacity, making it a popular choice for international routes. Jim Liu, the founder of AeroRoutes, has a rich history in aviation reporting, having previously established and managed Airlineroute from 2007 to 2020. His expertise continues to shine through in his current venture, AeroRoutes, where he provides valuable insights into airline operations and schedules. As we look forward to these changes, it raises an interesting question. How do you feel about airlines switching aircraft types during peak travel seasons? Does it enhance your travel experience, or do you prefer the consistency of a specific aircraft? Share your thoughts in the comments below.